What do you think is the first step if you want to buy a home? Is it start to see lots of houses? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, let's talk about the correct first step if we want to buy a home. So way before viewing a lot of homes, the correct step number one is actually to get ourselves home loan pre-approved. Unlike many financial markets in this world, in Canada, the banks do not just worry about your down payment. Even after we meet the down payment criteria, the banks still will take consideration our income level. After the banks use a very comprehensive way to calculate the total amount of the home loan the bank can give to us, we will know our true budget of purchasing a home. So in current market, getting our home loan pre-approved, there are three key benefits. The first one is what we mentioned. Only after the bank gives us the total loan amount plus our cash down payment, we know our true budget. When you give this number to your realtor, she or he can help you to use this as a specific search criteria to make sure you only receive the fit properties within your budget limit, and you also only view the ones that within your budget limit. This will make sure your home hunting is highly efficient. You won't waste time seeing something outside of your budget range. We also encourage you to speak to various financial institutions, because in Canada, we don't just have Schedule A bank, the typical big five like RBC, BMO, CIBC, but we also have Schedule B bank or even private lenders. When you speak to different financial institutions, you will find they have different strengths. Some may have lower interest rate, some may loan you more. So then you can compare and choose the mortgage option that fits you the best. The last benefit, to me, in current strong sellers market is also the most important one, is that getting a mortgage loan pre-approval will help us to make a stronger offer. So imagine you are the seller on offer review day or the bidding day. You receive many offers, and there are two different kinds. The first type is with mortgage financing condition. The second one has done their homework and is without mortgage financing condition. Which one would you choose? And if you are not clear about what mortgage financing condition is, it is a clause that protects the buyer. It says that if the buyer couldn't find mortgage approval at the end of certain days, he can walk away and his offer becomes invalid. So if the seller has no choice and accepts such an offer, then he would have taken the risk of waiting for this buyer for many days for nothing. However, like we mentioned, he's got multiple offers, and within this multiple offer, many of them has already done their homework, and they know for this offer amount, they can comfortably not putting down the mortgage financing condition because that amount has already been pre-approved. So the seller can only accept or counter one offer. So which one do you think he would choose? Certainly buyer A, correct? Because he doesn't have to take this uncertainty. Okay, so getting a mortgage pre-approval is actually quite easy. It's just as easy as 1, 2, 3. The banks will first pull a credit report from credit bureaus such as TransUnion, Equifax, and then each bank will give us a checklist requesting some of our financial data, such as last year's NOA, our current employment letter with income stated, and then the bank statement for example, past 6 months. And in just 1 or 2 weeks, the bank will come back with their underwriting department's pre-approval letter telling us how much amount we are entitled to according to this bank's policy. So then we are approved. That amount you will give to your realtor, and this is how he or she will help you to start to search for fit properties. Okay, so now we understand why it is so important to start with getting your home loan pre-approved instead of just showing houses. This is the end of this video. If you have recent purchase or sell plan, please talk to us and we can cater the strategy for you. And if you're looking for houses to buy, not only we can find you the good ones from MLS, but also some great value off market properties. See you in next video.